Hi guys, it's me Joy, and today I have an unboxing video for you. It is for the Stationery Selection. I've been waiting a whole week to open this because I had so much things going on, but now I can dig in. I'm excited! Wow! So mitts, also known as My Life Mitt, always includes this pretty paper. It's like gold flecked on one side and it's really smooth and it has their logo. And then the Mizuhiki thingy-majiggy and it says arigato. I always keep this to use in my journals. Then it comes with a list of things that are included this month. I will reference this as I go through the box. First thing on the top is this polar bear, not polar bear, Arctic collection. And it's by Mindwave and it has all these animals. They're so cute. There's even a bunny and a narwhal and a moose. He looks so cool. Her note says that these are to add some furry creatures to your journal pages. Wow, so that's cute. I love sticker flakes. Next is this masking patches by Stalogy. It is for highlighting important dates in your calendar. I really love this color scheme. It's like a lime green and a dark green and a brown. Very pretty. Here is their business card. Ooh, there's this thing called Weekly Paper by a company called Drop Around, or is it Classicy? According to her list, it says Classicy Weekly Paper, and it is small enough that you can attach to your planner pages. That's cool. Oh, there's one in a box. I think I'll save that one for last. There is this pencil. It's wooden. It smells wooden too. It smells like wood, but it is by Sierra. Oh, never mind. It's not a pencil. It's a pen, but it looks like a mechanical pencil.
That is really neato burrito.
We got some new washi tape. It is by Sunny Sunday. I love that washi tape maker. And papier plots. Papier. It is like a brown washi tape. And we have this clipboard. Wow, this is cool. It's by Penco. I think I have something by Penco. Oh yeah, I do. I have this thing. A clamp. A binding clamp thing. Wow, this is neat. I wonder if this is part of it. Oh yeah. It's like the packaging. It's for important notes or reminders. I've been seeing people use it to keep their traveler's notebook inserts open. It has a gold plating and it says Penco of the old school.
Whoa, that is old school. That's OG.
Cool. I really like the color and it feels nice. I'm gonna put this back because it's too cool for school. And then the one in the box. So excited. It's one of those kata dishes. Kata whale. It says kata and Classicy. Wow, so cute. You can put like small things on there. An eraser of some sort. And it's so cute. I love it. Plus the whales are here in Hawaii right now. Yeah, I need to give them a name. Alright, that was a fun box. We got everything on the list. So let's journal.